me here and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And this channel is about hair, everything, DIYs. Occasionally you will get try on hauls, vlogs, or anything else. Please consider to like, comment, subscribe, and be part of this family. You would really greatly appreciate help this channel. I would really appreciate that. If you like to see how I got my hair like this, it's so soft and bouncy and everything. Well, stay tuned, okay? These are the ingredients that you will need to make this deep treatment protein. You will need a wrap avocado. You will need aloe vera gel, which you'll get aloe vera branch. Do not use the water or the juice. You will need some coconut cream. You will need some okra, some oils of your choice. For me, I used extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and some Haitian castor oil. I'm never go without my Haitian castor oil. And this oil, I've made it myself. It has carrots, turmeric, and papaya. So use any type of oil of your choice. You do not have to go by the ones that I used in this video. And as for the okra, I cut it into pieces and pour some hot water over it so I could get that slipped texture that I needed to help your hair be manageable to come through. And I think I made a video about some of the vitamins that okra is good for. So take a look in my channel. And if your hair likes protein or do not have a problem with protein, you can add an egg. I did not want to add the egg because I know that my hair do not like protein. I only do protein treatment maybe once a year. That's about it. And this time I really did not want to deal with the smell of the eggs, so that's why I did not add it. But if your hair is not that fishy about protein, just go ahead and add an egg. Make sure you add an organic egg, okay? Not just those dollar eggs. And as for the measurement, you can use a spoon of the oil or half a spoon. And what I did at the end to mix all the oils, I poured into like a glass bowl and then put some water boiled and put it into that so it could really mix together. And you do not have to do that, but I did that, so it's up to you. So this is the one that I'll be using to cleanse out my hair because my hair has been braids for like 2 weeks, so I need to use some type of shampoo. Otherwise, I do not really use shampoo unless it's my hair really needs it. So I've heard a lot of talk about this shampoo right here, so I'm gonna try it. And for me to use it as a wash, to use a washout conditioner, I use this. I know this is supposed to be a leave-in, but it doesn't do good for me with leaving. So I'm just gonna use this as washout conditioner. You may ask where I'm gonna use the treatment that I just made. So I don't know if I would like to to apply the treatment right after the shampoo and use, well, and use this one, or just use the shampoo, then this one and the conditioner, and then just leave it in my hair for like maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then wash it out and then just style it. So it depends on how it makes my hair feels, because I haven't done this in such a long time, so I need to see how my hair feels afterward. Just gonna go and wash my hair, and then I'll explain to you guys what I've done, if I did this after the shampoo or if I applied I will show you guys when I'm applying the deep conditioner, the treatment. Okay, so I will see you guys in a bit after I wash my hair. Hi guys, I am back, finishing washing my hair. As you can see, I sectioned them in big jumbo twist so it could be more manageable for me to wash in the shower. And oh my god, my face is so dry. So the process that I've told, I use the shampoo, then the conditioner that I showed you guys. That's supposed to be a leave-in conditioner. I use it as a washout. That's how I've been using it, because when I use it as a leave-in conditioner, it pull my hair out so much. So I've been using it as a leave-in conditioner. Then use Tresemme. That conditioner doesn't have any type of slip, okay? And as far as for this shampoo right here that everybody talking about how amazing it is, it's alright. But the only difference between this shampoo and the ones that I have in the bathroom, this shampoo, after you finish wash your hair with it, it does not dry out your hair at all. I thought it was gonna dry out my hair, but it did not dry out my hair. It makes my hair feel like I did not use a shampoo. It just feels like, so the texture feels so soft. It feels like it was not dry at all. That's for this conditioner, this shampoo. So would I use this again? I think I would use it again, but the only thing I have a problem with it is the when it goes into your eyes. Oh my gosh, that thing burns. Like you want to pluck your eyes out. I don't know how. It says no sulfate, but it's salty. It's very salty. Probably it has too much salt in it, sodium in it. So that's why it probably is like that. But other than that, it's a good conditioner. So let's get into applying this beauty right here, which you guys have saw. Okay. So I just dropped some lavender. It got a little bit thicker from last time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, I don't want it to dirty me. So I'm going to apply, and oh, let me show you guys. So what I did, because that leave-in conditioner was drying out my hair, was make like it defeat the purpose of what the shampoo did. Because after I washed my hair, the shampoo made my hair feel so good. So when I apply the conditioner, it makes my hair so dry. So I end up using Tresemme that I have, which I'll put a picture so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. So I use the Tresemme that I have. Finally back after, what time is it? It's 9:54. So I finished, put the thing around like 8 o'clock. So yeah, so I just finished wash it out about 30 minutes ago, and it's getting dry already. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So now we normally use. Right now, what I'm about to do, I'm about to like retwist my hair because I like to go back after I wash my hair and then to just treat it to give it some good treatment, massage my scalp, give it some grease, some this right here. It's amazing and it's black on. I think she's Haitian too. This is bomb, okay? So guys, as you saw the protein, I hope you guys like the protein or you guys will try it. Like I said, you don't have to add all these things. I added the okra for slit, okay? It really helps. And I wish I did not add the aloe vera. And one thing, when you do, if you're gonna go ahead and add the aloe vera in your protein in your treatment, please make sure you drain it so it doesn't have the residue like I did. It didn't stay, but if you don't want to deal with it, okay? So if you want to add the egg, add an egg or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoy this and let me know in the comment section below how your hair feels after that, because sometimes we gotta give our hair some love. Yes. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the bell notification for whenever I post a video, you could be notified, okay? So do not forget to have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. And I will see you on the next video. Okay?